In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a phone number to your Gmail. This is a quick way to make your account more secure and ensure you can get back in if you ever forget your password or get locked out. We'll do this by adding a recovery phone number through your Google account settings, starting right from Gmail. Begin by opening Gmail and signing in. Look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. A small menu will appear. Choose the option that says Manage your Google account. This takes you to the main settings area for your Google account, which is where security and recovery options live. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar. Click Security. This section controls how you sign in and how Google helps protect your account. Scroll to the area labeled How you sign in to Google. Here, you'll see an item called Recovery Phone. Go ahead and select that. You may be asked to confirm it's really you. This is normal and is there to protect your account. If prompted, just sign in again with your usual credentials and continue. Once you're on the Recovery Phone page, click Add Recovery Phone. You'll see a field to select your country and another to enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country is selected so the right country code appears. Then, carefully type your mobile number. It's important to enter a number you have access to right now, since Google will send a verification code to confirm it's yours. When everything looks correct, click Next. Google will send a verification code to that phone. Keep an eye on your text messages, and in some regions, you might receive a voice call instead. When the code arrives, enter it into the field on the screen. After you submit the code, you should see a confirmation that your recovery phone has been added. That's it. Your number is now linked as a recovery option for your Google account, improving your ability to recover access and receive important security alerts. If you ever change your phone number, you can return to this same recovery phone section to update it. A quick tip: make sure you have a stable mobile signal when you request the verification code, and double-check the number and country code before you proceed to avoid delays. Thanks for following along. Keeping a recovery phone on your account is a simple step that adds a strong layer of protection to your Gmail and the rest of your Google services.